What happens to your aging body when you eat just 2 eggs every day? The jaw-dropping changes that could add years to your life. Did you know that by the time you hit 50, your body starts losing muscle at a rate of up to 1–2% per year, turning what used to be simple tasks like climbing stairs into a real struggle? Or that over 90% of adults aren't getting enough of a key brain nutrient that could slash your risk of memory fog and cognitive decline? And here's the kicker. What if I told you that something as simple and affordable as cracking open 2 eggs each morning could flip the script on these aging horrors, boosting your strength, sharpening your mind, and even protecting your heart in ways that defy decades of bad advice? Stick with me, because we're about to dive into the mind-blowing science that could change how you age forever. Hey there, folks. Imagine waking up every day feeling a bit stronger, a tad sharper, and way more energized, all from a breakfast staple that's been sitting in your fridge. Yeah, I'm talking about eggs. For years, they've been villainized, praised, and everything in between, but the latest buzz from cutting-edge research is turning heads. We're not just chatting about protein here. We're uncovering how 2 eggs a day could be your secret weapon against the relentless march of time. It's exciting, almost unbelievable how this humble food packs a punch for muscle, brain, and heart health. Let's crack this open, no pun intended, and explore the real deal, backed by solid evidence that'll make you rethink your morning routine. First off, let's talk about the sneaky thief that comes with getting older: muscle loss. Oh man, it hits hard, doesn't it? That gradual fade where your arms feel weaker lifting groceries or your legs protest after a short walk. Scientists call it sarcopenia, and it's no joke. After 50, you could lose 1% of your muscle mass yearly, ramping up to 2% by 60 or 70. This isn't just about looks. It's tied to frailty, falls, a sluggish metabolism, and even higher risks of insulin resistance and chronic diseases. But here's where eggs swoop in like a hero. They're loaded with high-quality protein, sure, but it's the specific amino acids, especially leucine, that make them a game changer. Picture this: inside your cells, there's this switch called the mTOR pathway, mechanistic target of rapamycin if you want to sound fancy. It's like your body's internal repair crew, deciding when to build muscle, fix tissues, or break them down. Leucine flips that switch on, kickstarting muscle protein synthesis, which is basically your muscles rebuilding themselves stronger. And eggs, they're leucine powerhouses. 2 eggs deliver about 1.5 grams of leucine, hitting that sweet spot to activate mTOR without overdoing it. I get thrilled thinking about this because it's not some exotic supplement, it's everyday food. Take a real-life example. In a study with older adults, those who ramped up their leucine intake through high-quality proteins like eggs saw better muscle preservation. One trial from the Journal of Nutrition showed that supplementing with leucine-enriched proteins boosted muscle protein synthesis by up to 25% in seniors, helping combat anabolic resistance, that age-related stubbornness where your muscles don't respond as well to building signals. Imagine grandma or grandpa staying active longer, playing with grandkids without huffing and puffing. I've seen it in my own circle. My aunt in her 70s started adding 2 eggs to her breakfast after reading about this, and within months she was raving about how her daily walks felt easier, her balance improved. It's emotional, really, watching someone reclaim their vitality. But it's not just quantity, it's quality. Eggs score a perfect 100 on the protein digestibility scale, meaning your body absorbs nearly all of it. Compare that to plant proteins, which might only hit 70–80% due to fiber and antinutrients. In older folks who often undereat protein anyway, this efficiency is gold. A randomized trial with overweight seniors found that eating 3 whole eggs a day for 12 weeks preserved muscle mass better than a lower protein diet. And get this, muscle isn't just for show. It's your metabolic engine, burning calories even at rest, storing glucose to keep blood sugar stable, and cranking out immune-boosting signals. More muscle means better insulin sensitivity, fewer energy crashes, and a revved-up metabolism that fights off age-related weight gain. I love how eggs make this accessible. No gym memberships required, just a quick scramble. Now shifting gears to something that scares us all: brain fade. That moment when you forget a name or lose your keys for the umpteenth time, it's heartbreaking, right? Cognitive decline creeps in silently, often starting decades before symptoms show. But eggs, they're brain food on steroids thanks to choline. This unsung hero is the building block for acetylcholine, your brain's messenger for memory, focus, and learning. 2 eggs pack nearly half your daily choline needs, and most folks are short on it, up to 90% of us. When you munch those eggs, choline ramps up acetylcholine production, keeping neural signals firing sharp. A study in middle-aged and older Japanese adults found that 300 mg of egg yolk choline daily improved verbal memory over time. It's like oiling a rusty hinge. Suddenly everything moves smoother. And choline doesn't stop there. It shores up cell membranes with phospholipids, fighting oxidative stress that ages your brain. Plus, as a methyl donor, it tweaks DNA methylation, stabilizing your epigenome, the software of aging, as Dr. David Sinclair puts it. Messed up methylation speeds up decline, but choline keeps it in check. Real stories bring this home. In the Kuopio Ischemic Heart Disease Risk Factor Study, higher choline from eggs linked to better cognitive performance and lower dementia risk in men. One participant in a similar trial shared how adding eggs daily cleared her mental fog. At 65, she felt like her 50-year-old self again, acing puzzles and remembering details effortlessly. It's inspiring. Choline also ties into liver health, preventing fatty liver that indirectly hampers brain function via inflammation. And don't forget lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs. They accumulate in the brain, shielding neurons and boosting cognition. Paired with choline, it's a synergistic shield against Alzheimer's vibes. But wait, what about the elephant in the room, cholesterol? Eggs got a bad rap for decades, blamed for spiking levels and clogging arteries. I remember avoiding yolks as a kid, thinking they'd doom my heart. But modern science, it's flipping the script and it's exhilarating. Cholesterol isn't the villain. Your body needs it for hormones, cell membranes, and vitamin D. Eggs cholesterol barely budges blood levels for most. Your liver dials down production when you eat more. Studies show 2 eggs daily boost HDL, the good guy that sweeps excess cholesterol away. HDL acts like a vacuum, reducing plaque risk. And LDL, it's not all bad. Eggs shift it to larger, fluffier particles that don't sneak into artery walls as easily. Small, dense LDL is the troublemaker, linked to oxidation and inflammation, but eggs favor the benign big ones. In a trial with postmenopausal women, whole eggs enhanced HDL's cholesterol-clearing power without hiking total cholesterol. Triglycerides? They stabilize too, thanks to eggs' protein and fats curbing blood sugar spikes. Hormones get a boost. Cholesterol fuels testosterone and estrogen, which dip with age, sapping energy and muscle. Eggs provide the raw materials to keep levels humming. A study in young adults showed up to 3 eggs daily ramped up antioxidants and HDL function, slashing inflammation. Inflammation's the real heart disease driver, not cholesterol alone. Picture this: my neighbor, a 68-year-old guy with a family history of heart issues, started 2 eggs daily after his doc okayed it. His HDL climbed, LDL particles improved, and he feels unstoppable hiking without fatigue. It's proof positive that eggs aren't foes, they're allies. Wrapping this up, folks, what happens when you eat 2 eggs every day? Your muscles get the leucine jolt to fight sarcopenia, preserving strength and metabolism. Your brain thrives on choline, sharpening memory and warding off decline. And your heart, it benefits from better lipid profiles, higher HDL, and less inflammation, debunking old myths. It's not hype, it's science showing eggs as anti-aging dynamos, affordable, tasty, versatile. Whether scrambled, boiled, or in a smoothie, they're a simple swap for big wins. Imagine feeling vibrant into your 70s, 80s, even beyond. That's the power here. Give it a try, your future self will thank you. Stay strong out there.